car put on the dyno and get the tune redone. I got to get the brake light. Something's been up with the brake lights, not been working out, been popping fuses. We're going to get that fixed. Just a little odd ends. They're going to go over the car and make sure everything's good before we turn this thing up. And, well, I say turn it up. We're going to be limited on a fuel system, I know. I'm not for sure what fuel system's in it. I think it has the triple pump ON3, which it needs the 4 innovations to actually turn it up. So if we can make anywhere from 1,000, 1,100, 1,200 range on through a turbo 400, which you see there's the turbo 400, that would be making about 125 to 140 more horsepower at the crank. So I would be happy with 1,000 wheel, 1,100, somewhere around there on about 18 pounds of boost. So we're gonna head to DBR and get this thing dropped off. Okay, so we just picked the car up from DBR and put down some good numbers. I'm impressed. You know, we did run out of fuel system like I thought we would. The injectors were limited and the fuel pump actually ran out before the injectors. So car made 1,160 wheel horsepower through a turbo 400 on just 18 pounds of boost. That's very impressed with that, actually. So we're driving the car home now. I'm about to get these Race Star wheels off and put the welds on. I sold these Race Stars to Average Joe on YouTube, and he's gonna come pick up those wheels. So get a little bit of this. For about 45 minutes, because I have an hour and 15-minute drive home, which I drive this car to work a lot, so because it is a street car. But tells you your speed, everything, check it out, the boost, fuel pressure's good. It's not getting hot or nothing. I do have all those lights on, but that's because we put the 400 in. So, but we're gonna drive it home. We're gonna make it after we get after up here. This little bit right here, we're gonna make a pool. Street car. You still have your heat, you still have your AC, and you still have the radio. So I can't believe it playing along for YouTube purposes, but like I said, this is a full-blown street car. Can drive it anywhere. Like I said, I'm driving it an hour and 15 minutes one way right now, and doing the speed limit, which I'm doing over the speed limit, and that people are flying by me, they can get a ticket. I'm not. We'll get up here, we'll make a slight pull. Box hooked up right here. The boost leash is activated. We do have CO2 now. Car is really coming along. It's going to the paint booth Saturday, so let's get to the house, get these wheels off, and see what it looks like with the wheels. Got home. This is the Race Stars. This is the before, and then I'll do it after. This is the Race Stars again. What's going on? We just made it back home, and the new setup, guys. We got the wheels put on. Let's go check it you around the car a little bit. We got it back home. We got the wheels put on. Let's show you this engine. This RPG built Coyote with an On3 kit. 80 millimeter moment. A lot of you guys been waiting for. Car made 1,160 rear wheel horsepower through a turbo 400 brand. Probably where we're going to keep it for now because I ran out of fuel system. The engine's capable of 1,700 and the transmission's capable of 1,700, but the fuel system right now is completely maxed out for now, so we're gonna have fun with it. I haven't tested out the bump box yet, so we're about to test it out here in the driveway, spool it up for y'all and let y'all hear what this thing sounds like. Shout out to DBR High Performance for all their work they always do. This is the dyno sheet, DBR High Performance. Like I said, On3 turbo, 80 millimeter turbo, E85. Car made 1,160 and 1,007. Correction, I thought it was 1,060, so it's 1,007 horsepower to the ground on 18 pounds. So there it is. That's where we're going to keep it at right there, the 1,000 for now, until we upgrade the fuel system and turn this thing way up. So box works. I am tickled and I cannot wait to get this car on the track to see what it's going to do soon. Bad news is the car is going to the paint shop this weekend. This weekend the car is going to be going from this color, and I'll post a picture. It's not my car, but it's similar, the same paint job, and what it's going to look like right here. But guys, this is it. This is what y'all been waiting for. The Turbo Coyote's back in the game. It's got the good tune in it. Now it's time to just get some track time with this car, get it back from the paint shop, and have fun with it, guys. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, please go subscribe so we can get our goal of 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year. More Coyote content. You know, we still got the wife's car and still got the Nova. So guys, Spooks at 931, y'all have a good one.